Viewer discretion is advised.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Trackmania Matt here.
And Toonlink682.
Today we are going to be reacting to the YTP, or YouTube poop, called Lightning McQueer and the Quest for Tires. Neither of us have seen this before, so be prepared to hear us laugh several times.
Just from the title alone, we're off to a strong start.
Exactly. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Give me the wallet.
What?
Oh, okay.
Of course you realize this means war.
Fuck you, Pisky!
There we go. Focus, focus, focus. Speed.
What?
I can speed.
Sonic! That was Sonic!
5-hour energy is focus.
What the hell?
Weed. I smoke weed for breakfast.
Hey, listen! You ready?
Would you shut up? Try to masturbate up here!
Holy shit!
Whoa,
guys, whoa.
Walmart! Did you see it? No, you didn't see it. There was a Walmart there.
Rip Orange!
He's dead.
The possibility of successfully navigating an asteroid field is approximately 3,720 to 1.
Never tell me the odds.
Weed every day. Shaq, would you be willing to suck your mom?
Where's your wife?
What?
Okay.
Yeah, bitch.
Save him!
You need tires now! No! No tires! You need tires! No tires! You need tires!
Freaking idiot.
Oh no, this is...
I'm having flashbacks of Walmart.
What the hell?
Oh, this is weird.
His tongue.
Horse's ass.
I'm a one-man show.
That was a very cunning Lightning McQueer.
Hey, get out of the shot.
Yo, you're blocking the. Yo. Back away. What? We quit, Mr. Shake. How will I ever find anyone else who knows how to fill my ass with gas? Adios, Chuck.
You're stupid. Excuse me? Stupid. How do you think I'd look in Dynaco blue?
To be the man, you gotta beat the man.
That is spectacular advice, Mr. the King.
What?
Oh no.
No. Yes, no. Yeah! Lightning McQueer here. Billy Mays here. And I use Admiral Akbar cereal. Use Rusty's medicated ass. Appointment. Nothing sues a rusty ass like Rusty's. Look at that shit. You too. Yeah. You too can look like me. Ka-chow. Lightning McQueer.
Strobe light.
Was that Shrek?
Fuck you. I hate rusty cars.
Deal with it!
Guys, I'm coming in. Oh, God. Oh, boy. I am not going to hear the end of this.
You jackass! Now you've done it, idiots!
No. Oh God, it's a rice.
looks like a dildo.
We got ourselves a nigger.
Gay niggas.
You're not Mac.
I'm not.
Mac?
666.
We're off to a very
Yes, we are.
I'm pissed.
Wasted.
The 3 victims were part of a CXS.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
What?
I'm standing here with Fred.
I want him out of our town.
I'm hereby sentencing you to slavery.
I'll clean it for you.
Now, won't be necessary.
Hey, McQueer!
What are you gonna do? Suck me to death?
Oh my god!
later.
Awful.
Well, matches the rest of the town.
If you're going left enough hard, you'll find right. Left.
Turn right to go right. No. Up you! Opposite world? What an idiot. Turn right to go right left. Yes, no.
Oh no.
I'm dying in this fucking country-ass, fucked-up town.
Luigi's leaning a tower of tires.
There's one they fear like me, McQueer. Fireball.
Piston cops.
It's a conspiracy, man!
Piston cop.
He did what in his cup?
Piston. 100% chance of. Forecast. 100% chance.
Oh, what the hell is this?
Yeah, yeah.
Ah! He did what in his cup?
Choose one.
Oh no! We can decide who wins. The hell? Want to choose one?
Or Kachiga.
Okay, let's
Or
do it. Let's
what?
do it.
What could go wrong?
Not coming in behind you again, old man.
Oh. Good.
Okay.
What
let's do
happens
the king.
if the king
Okay.
wins?
I am not coming in behind you again, old man. You gotta be kidding me. No, 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 no!
Woo! That's why I'm the world champion!
And now the one everyone wants to see, Lightning.
For the first time in Piston Cup history.
A rookie having won the Piston
Captain Balcom.
No! No!
Let's go faster.
Loaded for speed! Go! Holy crap! My thing actually won something!
By reversing time to allow himself to win the championship, Lightning McQueer was never motivated to turn back to time in the first place. This chronological tangent means that Lightning can never win. I don't know. Let's watch the ending of the other bit.
Yeah, what could go wrong?
Whoops. Okay, here we go.
Alright.
Get to the chopper!
This whole class is gonna feel my tires.
What did we just watch?
I don't know!
Okay. Okay, I think I'm mentally scarred for life.
I have just one question.
What?
What the genuine fuck was that?
That was a YTP, my friend.
It hurts.
Yes, it does.
It hurts.
It hurts.
It really hurts.
Ah.